is H7. Summer House 1. And then a little bit walk and it's the swimming pool. Yeah. So, dito na kami sa Grand Paradise Pool. Hi, Ana!
Second time.
Ganda.
May kiddie pool. Guys, may shower.
Yeah, shower. Go shower. What? Hi! Say hi! Ellie, go, Ellie! Arky naman. Para hindi naiipit yung yung taba. Go to mommy. Oh, dali ah.
Dito, picture.
Okay, dalawa. Sing ano? Buffet time, breakfast buffet time.
Ayun na si Ellie. Guys, we're
Sabi
gonna
ni-
have breakfast.
Buffet.
Sabi ni Ellie ko na, yeah.
Ayun, hindi yung binabasa.
Sabi ni Ellie, bawal ba ba tayo?
Hindi, pwede. Ang haba, no? Ang haba.
Pang-umpisa.
Gabi, haba. Ayun, no? Cereals, coffee, ayun.
Kaya pala dito.
Ang haba pala nito, ang dami, oh, kompleto. Wow. What's this? Lugaw. Tol, ang haba pala nito. Ang ganda.
Ang ganda. Yun pala yun. Yung pinatayo.
Oo.
Hello guys, this is our room. This is where we stay. SH1. Let's go room tour.
Oh, yan, ito yung room namin dito sa Paradise Garden.
There is Lola and Mike's room.
Let's show muna. It's in the second floor and there's two rooms. Kahapon pa kami dito but now lang yung room 2. Ayan, ito yung first room. Dito sila. Let's go na dun sa kabila.
Okay, let's go.
Same lang. Yan sila. Mura lang dito.
Now here is our room.
Affordable pala.
May inasal.
Yan, this is our room. Oh, mommy, ready to swim na.
Let's swim na.
2 beds and my fridge
And free water.
and the toilet.
Here is the sink. Then here is toilet, shower.
Okay, let's swim na at the pool.
There is hot and cold shower.
Let's go.
Let's go swim.
Ganda, may view pa. There's the view. Ano mo? Subig with the pamaga. And subig with the pamaga. Ay, muulan. Pauwiin mo na sila. Umulan na naman po sa Boracay. Night swimming pa naman. Hey! Let's go! Let's go na! It's raining! Ay, ahon na kayo, ahon, dali. Let's go, let's go. Go to the room na, dali, run. Let's go. Come. Oh, your salamin. Dali, mababasa kayo, umuulan. You might get wet, it's raining. Go! Dali! Dali! Run! It's raining! Run! Dito, nice! Guys, nabasa kami sa ulan, guys.
Talaga mababasa.
Dali! Dali, guys! Dali, dali! Wow! Here at Cafe Maruha. Ganda, oh. Oh. Piña colada, frozen margarita, and anong tawag dito?
Muay Thai.
Muay Thai.
Medyo matabang-tabang.
Oh. Sip, sip.
Cheers ba kami ulit? May isa pa rin. Sabi ko tapangan.
Matapang. Yung dalawa tulog na din. Kasi it's 10 o'clock. Dahil kakatapos lang ng ulan, ngayon lang kami nakalabas. Night is tulog. Breakfast time, third day. Arky. No, you're just scared. Photo shoot. Oh, you show it. You lift it up.
You lift. I'll take a picture of it. Okay.
So I found the strength to say it was harder than catching the moon. And when the words fell out, I saw the warmth in the room. So I gathered the strength to lift it, and you picked it up and laid it down, and you picked me up and
Break.
Hello guys, we're eating breakfast.
Date. Last day.
We're going to go home later. Hello guys. Hi guys, Mommy and Tata will slide down the big slide, the biggest slide in the resort of Paradise Garden. And I'm not allowed to slide because it's only for 12 and above. There goes Tatay. Tata is going down first, then next Mommy. How was the slide?
Ba't nagtatakot ka pag ilaw?
Eh, bumabang ko sa'yo.
Hindi. Ah. Ano kaya sa slide? Ah.
Now Mommy and Mama Ching is going to be sliding down. And there is where the kiddie pool and kiddie slide is.
Ang tulit. Ang bilis. Yung mukha niyo. Oh, go. Ang tulin. Ang tulin.
Nakatuloy pumasok sa ilong ko.
Ang tulin. Ang tulin. Ang tulin. Lalo pag nakahiga. Pag nakahiga,
Kaya wala ang bilis.
pag nakaupo ang mabagal. Whoa, what's that? Fancy, fancy. I fell asleep nga sa dagat. Or eating sinigang, sisig, talpika, wow, fish and chips, salad, pancit, pancake, chicken with bacon. Ay, what are you eating? Fish and chips. Masawsaw mo, masarap. Oh, init. Sausaw mo, ma'am, masarap. Hindi, kumuha ka. Lagi, ayan, sausaw mo, dali. Sige, ako mag-get na, dali. Bye guys, we're going home na.
Bye guys, you're going home na.
Oh. Where's the other two? Ay, yung dalawang bata. nakita.